was so rich in Mokopane. Johannesburg was made by the discovery of gold. There's nothing special about Johannesburg. There are two things that makes a city: two, natural resources and mineral resources. Cape Town has got no mineral resources, but it's beautiful. It's a city because it has got natural resources. That's what makes a city. Johannesburg, but it is a city because of the discovery of gold. Therefore, it's a city. So why there is a discovery of platinum in Rustenburg, in Mokopane, in Sekhukhune, yet those places remain rural areas and are not converted into cities? Because a city is made by two things: